Welcome back to Rami's Bar, the show that teaches you how to do professional drinks at home like we're doing over here. Today we're going to be doing two shots. The first one is called the Dou Dou Shot. I don't really know why it's called the Dou Dou Shot. I have a theory of my own, and you guys can judge it down in the comments below. Let me know if you agree with me. I'll share it when we're doing the shot itself. And the second one is called the Tequila Slammer. That Tequila Slammer is a very fun shot, and it's very fun for parties, actually, because all you have to do is grab it before you drink. You gotta grab it from the top, and you actually gotta slam it against a soft surface, like this wooden surface. You gotta do, and then you gotta drink it. So let's do this. So the way we're gonna do this is we're actually gonna start building up both our shots. And there's two glasses over here, but there's another two over here. And the reason for that is because the producer is also going to get a shot today. And I want to make sure that we get the shots at the very end before the camera starts falling down as she's, getting drunk. But point is, we are going to start with the Dou Dou Shot. The Dou Dou Shot is very easy, very simple, a lot of fun. And like I said, I have a theory as to why it's called the Dou Dou Shot, and we'll see it in the end. So you start by putting in olives at the bottom of your shot glass, and I typically like to start with that first. And then after that, you're gonna follow up with 1 ounce of your favorite vodka. It has to be chilled vodka because you don't add any ice, you don't do any mixing, any of that. And that's why you gotta pre-chill your vodka. Just leave it in the freezer for a few hours. Like I said, it's 1 ounce, but I'm gonna just eyeball it. So you can do the same thing as well. Then you're gonna follow up with half a lemon juice into each of, or half a lemon, squeeze it in into each of these shot glasses. And now, to top it all off, you're gonna do 2 or 3 dashes of your favorite Tabasco sauce. Now let's put that to the side. Let's do the Tequila Slammer. So now we're gonna do the Tequila Slammer really quick before our previous shots warm up. But before that, you guys like our new decoration with little eyeballs at the front, and then we get the, what are they called? Dia de los Muertos? Yeah, there you go. So for the Tequila Slammer, it's based on the name. You're gonna need tequila and then ginger beer. You can, because you're not gonna use the whole bottle, you can follow up with the Moscow Mule. That's my suggestion. And we might do an episode down the line about how to do that, so stay tuned. For the tequila that we're using is the same tequila we've used in multiple other videos. I'll add a suggestion at the top and in the description below to check out other videos that we've used the same exact tequila, the Terimana Blanco tequila. So for that, we're gonna need also 1 ounce of tequila. Just eyeball it. And now, like I said, you're gonna follow up with your ginger beer. My suggestion is not to, what is it? I can't even open up the can. Messed it up once in the wine portion. My suggestion is to not top it off at the top because it's gonna get really messy. It's a lot of fun. It's my favorite shot just because of the fun of it, or the fun part of it. And now we're gonna have both of our shots. You ready? So we're gonna have both shots, and you're gonna see our facial expressions. Let's see how this works out. So like I said, these are our Dou Dou shots, and then these are in the middle.
Tequila Slammer.
There we go. Okay, let's do this. All right, we're gonna start with the Dou Dou Shot first, right?
No.
Oh, you don't want to. You want
to.
Okay, you gotta start with the Slammer. All right. So we're gonna start with the Slammer first. You ready for this? So what you gotta do is you gotta grab it from the top, like you gotta isolate it with your palm, and then don't do it right now, but you gotta slam it twice on the table. My suggestion: do not slam it on ceramic table because you do not want to break the glass. You don't have to like really slam it, just enough to make it fizz, because you get the beer inside. So, ready? Let's hope we don't break the glass. Ready? Yeah. I guess not her favorite shot.
Messy.
I know, I told you, it's a messy shot.
Okay.
Alright, so now for your favorite shot?
This is my favorite.
Okay. So for your favorite shot, we're having the Dou Dou Shot. Now my theory is that I think it makes sense. It's called a Dou Dou Shot because you get, I don't know if you're able to see it, because you get the doo doo inside your shot, which is your olive inside there. Not of what's gonna happen later. It does not work that way. That is not the theory that I'm going for. Anyways, the Dou Dou Shot. Salut. Woo! How do you do that? As you saw, after we had the shot, we were both trying to find the pit. That's why I'm suggesting do not use pitted olives, because you don't have to deal with that again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Today we did the Tequila Slammer. It's a very fun shot where you get to literally slam your shot onto a wooden board. It creates a lot of mess. We gotta clean this up, but it's a lot of fun during parties. And the second one was called the Dou Dou Shot. Very tasteful. Will really screw you over after 2 or 3 of those. And both are very simple to make, as you saw. So I hope you guys liked this episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Cheers.